Hello, my Sharynzoo crew family. It is Monday night, 9:30. I'm upstairs with my dad, and look, we got Monkey. You guys haven't seen my kitty cats in a long time. There's Monkey, and there's CleoCatra. Hello, sweetheart. Cleo I adopted many years ago. She was found on the streets of Egypt. That's why I call her CleoCatra. And she is just so beautiful. Yes, baby girl. They're so happy up here with my dad. What are you doing, Monks? What are you doing, Monk? Hi, baby girl. And I adopted Monkey years ago. I was her third home. What are you doing? You drinking your water? Huh? You say hi to everyone? Say hi. Hello, beautiful monkey girl. Yes. So anyway, I just finished playing backgammon with my dad, and now I'm going to go down to my babies. And I just wanted to say hello and see how you guys are doing, and hope you're all staying cool. The weather has been sweltering. I know it's hot everywhere, but just keep cool, stay hydrated, and know how much we love you. Bye, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.